Good morning, guys. We're going to work now. Yeah, there's nothing special. Yesterday I went to Sydney, but nothing really. I just walk around the city and I tried the electric bike that they have. No, the city bike. This shared bike that you can drop anywhere you want. I have just 10 minutes. We're going to work now. Good evening, guys. It's already 10 o'clock. Yeah, 10:15. Yeah, I'm going to have my dinner. I have here the leftover rice. And I don't know what I'm going to eat. Maybe egg. My mobile phone is now broken. Look at this. And the screen is not working anymore. Look at that. What is that? Yeah, so it's broken. And actually it is working by itself. Good morning, guys. Yeah, we are working here because I'm going to check the mobile phone here. Yeah, they don't have iPhone 6s. Yeah, this stock is finished. The price is just $429. They have the iPhone 6, just $379, but it's just a 5 megapixel camera. The time now is maybe 11 o'clock. I don't have any time with me. I don't buy watch. I don't know what time is it. I am now heading to Salamander Bay Shopping Center and we're going to check the iPhone. Here we're going home now. I bought a new iPhone 6s from Telstra, $579. Good morning, guys. No, good afternoon. Yeah, it is already 1:15 when I left the house, and we are going to work now. Child, the world's so wide, but you build your own. Electric bike for maybe more than a week now, but I'm still looking in the internet for another electric bike. Yeah, because I learned so many things about electric bike during the time that I was still searching for it. Yeah, and there is a mid-drive, half-drive, and different kind of motors like Shimano steps, Bapang, and many other things. And they have different features, they have different capabilities. And yeah. I remember that when I first bought my electric bike, my first one, all I want is just the design, how it looks, and just being electric, just it. And then I got this one also without considering the the other features, capabilities. And we're going to sit here. We'll have the coffee. I wanna have you hear me say yeah. No one needs more than I. Good afternoon, guys. We're going to work now. It is now maybe 1:15, something like that. believe. Hey guys, good evening. Yeah, I don't know, but here in the actual light is really bright. Yeah, this is the one that I bought online, and it's really nice. Yeah, it's really clear. The light is so bright. It's the same brightness of the car. Good afternoon, guys. We are day off today, but it's already 3 o'clock, and just now I get out of the house because yeah, I was uploading, editing videos. I am now hungry. We're going to the center and we're going to buy something to eat. This is a little bit going uphill, but you know, still relaxed to go up. Yeah, we're just going to buy a bacon and egg roll in this cafe. There is they have backpacking, traveling around. Yeah, there's so much stuff. I don't think I know I can do that. I will do that in the future. Maybe I'm going to do that in Switzerland. This is how it is today. Beautiful. The water is very clear. Doctor, can I have one cappuccino? Good.
Oh wow.
Large.
Have you?
Take away. Yeah, I got this cappuccino. And then we're going to Salamander Bay Shopping Center. Look at this. I don't know if it is showing in the camera, but there are so many insects that are flying around. Some of this will goes inside my nose, my mouth. Whoa, look at that. Maybe because of the very strong wind, yeah, that branch of the tree fell down. I don't know if this tree is the maple tree, which is yeah, Canadian tree. Because you know, here in Australia they have a lot of gum tree. Look at those. I don't know what kind of duck are they, but yeah, are they a bird or a kind of poultry or a duck? I don't know, but they are just there. Yeah, that is a kettle. I already, you know, break the box because I'm going to throw it here. Yeah, so that I can carry in the backpack. It is now 4:48 and most of the shops are closed already. Like this. We are running back quick to Nelson Bay because Chef Michele is waiting for me. Chef Michele is a Italian guy that I used to work with in Sydney, and now he is here in Nelson Bay doing some photography course, underwater photography course. He said it's just hobby. You know, he enjoys doing photography underwater. Yeah, basically scuba diving. Look at the sunset. It is beautiful as this. Oh, the sun already gone. Yeah. And do you notice the light in my bike? Yeah, it's actually bright. Can you next to never? Yeah, beautiful. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will. He's doing photography with a very expensive camera.
More than my car.
This is the one, Chef?
No, it's the other one. I see. It's good.
And we are going home now. Maybe we're going to drop by in Walmart to buy something, and then we're going home.